Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TBC. Which of the following nerves is responsible for the sense of taste? Your right answer is glossopharyngeal nerve. Option A. Ethanoic acid is commonly called. Your right answer is acetic acid. Option B. Elon Musk is the founder of. Your right answer is SpaceX. Option A. The longest river of peninsular India is. Your right answer is Godavari River. Option A. What is the work done in moving unit positive charge from infinite to that point? At that point, your right answer is electric potential. Option B. Plants that grow in absence of sunlight in water are called. Your right answer is fungi. Option A. From the full moon day counted as day 1, on which day the moon becomes invisible. Your right answer is 15th day. Option D. Which of the following is the outer covering of teeth? Your right answer is enamel. Option B. With which sports is Walker Cup associated? Your right answer is golf. Option A. Who among the following founded a weekly newspaper, Commonwealth, in 1914? Your right answer is Annie Besant. Option B. When was the internal emergency declared in India during the period of Indira Gandhi as Prime Minister? Your right answer is 1975. Option B. The blood pressure of a young male human being is normally. Your right answer is 120/80. Option C. Who among the following became the first women cricketer to play 200 ODIs? Your right answer is Mithali Raj. Option D. Which of the following department comes under the Ministry of Finance in India? Your right answer is all of the options are correct. Option A. Which of these Indian state has a coastline on the Arabian Sea? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option C. Reaction involving loss of hydrogen is known as. Your right answer is oxidation reaction. Option D. Tipaimukh Dam is in which of the following state? Your right answer is Manipur. Option C. The mineral which controls the functioning of thyroid is. Your right answer is iodine. Option C. In a spring balance, which part is stretched when a force is applied? Your right answer is coil spring. Option B. Which of the following government launched the Jal Amrut scheme in 2019? Your right answer is Karnataka. Option D. Article 17 of Indian Constitution deals with. Your right answer is abolition of untouchability. Option A. Which of the following formula state the relation between current, potential difference and resistance? Your right answer is R is equal to V by I. Option C. The Lucknow Pact of 1916 was made between. Your right answer is Indian National Congress and All India Muslim League. Option C. Who among the following is an Indian social activist associated with Narmada Bachao Andolan? Your right answer is Medha Patkar. Option A. Which of the following exhibit maximum number of valence electron? Your right answer is phosphorus. Option B. What is the expansion of IRNSS? Your right answer is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. Option C. If the frequency of a sound wave is 50 Hz, then what is the time period? Your right answer is 0.02 second. Option B. In the reaction MgO plus CO gives rise to Mg plus CO2. The substance oxidized is, your right answer is carbon monoxide. Option B. Covalent compounds, your right answer is, all of the options are correct. Option B. The term bogey is associated with, your right answer is golf. Option A. Niacin is a form of, your right answer is vitamin B3. Option A. In blast furnace, iron oxide is reduced by, your right answer is carbon monoxide. Option A. Why do gymnasts apply some core substance on their hands? Your right answer is to increase friction for better grip. Option C. When is World Water Day observed? Your right answer is March 22. Option C. ECG sends the electrical force produced by, your right answer is heart. Option D. Who among the following is not a hockey player? Your right answer is Michel Benjamin Lacroix. Option C. The Arjun is a third generation dash developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organization DRDO for the Indian Army. Your right answer is main battle tank. Option D. Which of the following is essential? A solo dance. Your right answer is Mohiniyattam. Option C. What is the SI unit of electric current? Your right answer is ampere. Option B. During setting of plaster Paris, your right answer is both masses is expanded and heat. Option B. Due to which force does the moon moves around the earth in its near circular orbit? Your right answer is centripetal force. Option D. The greatest quantity of air that can be expelled after a maximum inspiratory effect is, your right answer is long volume. Option D. A heterogeneous mixture in which the solid particle do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of the medium is known as, your right answer is suspension. Option B. How is the refractive index of a material related to the speed of light in air? Your right answer is refractive index is equal to speed of light in air by speed of light in material. Option D. The number of atoms or molecules or ions present in 1 mole of a substance is called, your right answer is Avogadro's number. Option C. Which of the following is a waterborne disease? Your right answer is cholera. Option C. Which vaccine is used for the prevention of tuberculosis? Your right answer is BCG vaccine. Option D. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.